Alright guys, so today we're gonna be making brisket hamburgers. This is the first time that we're gonna try out our KitchenAid, and we got some brisket trimmings that we did from this weekend, so we're gonna see how it works out. Maybe we start doing brisket hamburgers at the shop. So this is what we're gonna be using. So first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna cube up some of this brisket trimmings that we got here. We're gonna cube this up and then we're gonna grind it through our KitchenAid. We're gonna put this attachment. We have the other attachments in the freezer right now, getting chilled so that once we run this, they'll stay cool. All we're doing with this meat, we're just gonna cube it up. Nothing fancy. You want your meat to be fairly frozen when you're doing this, so that when you pass it through your grinder, it doesn't want to begin to cook the meat because it's gonna get hot. Small cubes, as big as your grinder is, that's how big you want your cubes. Okay, so we're gonna be putting back our KitchenAid together. We had taken it apart to put these parts to chill in the freezer. You want them to be very cold when you're passing your meat through this. It's fairly simple. And then we got a tool to tighten this, so this should be very tight. This tool came with the KitchenAid. And there you go. And now we're gonna install it into the KitchenAid. Okay. Make sure that it's tight. So we're gonna season with this rub that my sister bought me. We didn't grind up all the meat just because we're just doing a few hamburgers first thing. So we'll finish the grinding, the rest of the grinding. But you want to make sure that you season very liberally. You want to mix it in. So right here you could get creative. You could add cheese, you could add bacon, chives, onions, whatever you want to mix into your hamburger patties. It's looking really good. You could either get a little piece and sear it and see if it's well seasoned, or they say if you just pick some up and smell it, and if it smells like seasoning, then you should be good. So if you have a hamburger press, use your hamburger press. If you don't have a hamburger press, so we're just gonna make a quick ball, and just kind of gonna be some thick patties. And round it up, and then you're good. Another one. You want to try to be as consistent as possible. Obviously, if you have a press, it's going to be easier to have them consistent. So we're using our cast iron skillet to saute these hamburgers. It's actually raining, or else we'll be grilling them. But it's raining, so cast iron it is. If you need to learn how to season your cast iron, do check out the other video that we do have. So this is us grilling. We're gonna sear for about 3 minutes on one side, flip it over, 3 minutes on the other side, and try to get a medium rare temperature on them. Once our hamburgers are done grilling, here we got the fixings. We got some pickles, we got some onions, and some lettuce that my wife chopped up for us. So we're adding a little bit of mayonnaise, tomatoes, got the pickles, a little bit of lettuce, onions, got the onion. Now that is what we call hamburger. Oh, look at that juiciness coming out of that hamburger. Quick recap on the video. Hamburger was very delicious, very juicy. It hold really good. And again, it was a brisket burger that we ground up from the brisket trimmings that we had from the shop.
The wife hooked it up with some really good toppings. She had put avocado, tomatoes, lettuce on an onion bun. Very delicious burger. And I'm not just saying that because we were the ones that did it, but it was delicious, guys. So give it a try if you guys get a chance to check it out. Let me know what your experience is, what type of beef or what do you like to put on your ground beef. How do you like to make your hamburgers? Leave me some info on the comments below. If there's anything that you guys want me to cook or different things that you guys want me to show or share here in our channel, leave it in the comment below. Once again, like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys. Till next time. Peace.